Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December 1st on a Friday, and taking a look at the market, had an incredible stick save yesterday on the close. You can see we bounced right off that 10-period moving average and finished basically with kind of a spinning top inside that red bar from yesterday. We are gapping down a little bit today. It is Friday. Maybe some profit taken, but let's take a look at some setups. Once again, that is what we are focusing on. And there's a few out there. PLTR, like the way this one's setting up, I am in this. Let's take a look. And you can see it's putting in, it's above, it's moving average here, the 10 period slightly, and you got a kind of a high there, a 3-day high, and then going back over here about a 6-day high. So maybe put your price alert in that 2-day high there and see if you can get some action on that PLTR. The ARC stocks are doing well. Path with earnings yesterday, impressive. This was the trade of the week call. I did hold some of this overnight. Yum, this is a China. China's been tough, but I love the way this is setting up right here. You had a crazy green bar, and then it's pulled back and fighting this 10-period moving average. Like I said, China has really been tough. Only select few have been running in China. Shot, I think you got to watch this maybe more for, momentum traders, but still a beautiful setup there. Just set your price alert. If it could take out yesterday's high, may see some action there in SHOT. BKD is the last one on the list here. And I do like the way this had a couple of really good pushes higher, and now it is catching its 10-period moving average. You can see I got a price there, price alert above yesterday's high. But that's it for today. There are some more on the list if you have trade ideas, but have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you on Monday. Bye-bye.